Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about phases of certification. So we will see one by one. So first, in every certification, the first process we are going to get the application. So where you will get the application, you are going to seed grower can apply online through http ossopca.nic.in. So you get the application. You can download the application through this website. Next verification, SCO, seed certification officer can do the verification after the process of application. Seed certification officer will verify or forward to ASCO for verification as well as inspection. Third one, inspection. ASCO or in certain case, SCO himself can do the inspection. Both online as well as offline module has been developed. Testing certificate issue TC is issued only by ASCO, SCO who did the inspection. Processing plan can now be changed by ASCO, SCO. Sampling slip generation. 3 sample slips are generated before going to do sampling by concern ASCO, SCO. The 3 generated application means, application, verification, inspection. The testing lab, seed testing lab will submit their report. So after this process, you will get a whole report whether your seed will be quality or not quality. So tax certificate issue, tax are issued by the appropriate authority. Next one, seed lot. So seed lot, everyone know about the lot, right? Lot of things, the huge or many things it will be covered in your group mix. It's a seed lot. So a seed lot is a physically identifiable quantity of seed which is homogeneous. So it's not heterogeneous, but it's a homogeneous. A seed lot would represent any quantity of agriculture seeds up to a maximum of 20,000 kilograms for seeds of the size of rice or larger and 10,000 kilograms for seeds smaller than rice subject to a tolerance limit at 5.0%. The quantities in excess of the above maximum limit shall be subdivided and the separate lot identification shall be given. Seed lots should have prescribed moisture level with proper labeling. So this is called a seed lot. Sampling of seeds for laboratory test. So every seed you are going to take a sample, then you are going to analyze, you will get the report. So the certification agency shall draw a representative composite sample as per procedure specified in seed testing manual. So the composite sample will be divided into 3 equal parts and one shall be sent for analysis to a notified seed testing laboratory, that is L. The second part to the seed producer P and retain the third part as a third sample G. So L, P, G. The seed testing laboratories will analyze the seed samples in accordance with the prescribed procedure and deliver the seed analysis report to the certification agency as soon as maybe, but not later than 30 days from the date of receipt of the sample. So it's not more than 30 days. Before the 30 days, you get the testing laboratory result. Grow out test. So in this grow out test, so these are the process. You can do it, then you will get that report and everything. But after you receive everything, you will know the solution or know the results. So results you can check it in that grow out test. So what do you mean by grow out test? Each seed, we discussed many types of seeds like breeder seed, foundation seed, certification seed. So these are the seeds we have discussed. So each seed will be color also it will be different, like white or golden yellow, like that. So finally, now we are in that grow out stage. You can check it in that seed whether it will be grow or not. This is the final stage of each seed process. So in that certification agency shall conduct grow out test to determine genetic purity, because the genetic purity is very important. If genetic purity is not good means the seed will not grow. So genetic purity of a seed lot, wherever it's a prerequisite for grant of the certificate, and also on the seed laws where a doubt has arisen about the genetic purity. So I already said no, genetic purity is very important for each seed. In that oval onwards, because starting we all discussed about the starting from oval onwards, the growth will be after you certify, definitely the plant will grow. That's only we need the certification. So the certification agency, they are going to conduct the grow test to determine genetic purity. The grow test can be complemented by certain related laboratory tests, because we will pay for some of that. We will get application, verification, inspection, but in the grow test, whether you need or not, because it's a complementary by the laboratory test. Generally, you can find out the seed will be purity, it will be genetic purity or not genetic purity. You can check it in the grow out test. So in this lecture series, we'll discuss many things, types of seeds, so seed certification, and what are the types of tests you've done in that seed certification. So thank you all for watching. So keep support. Thank you all.